Hi guys, so I'm just coming back from my work. I went late and I'm coming back late, and this is 7:21 or 7:25 already. I've not figured out what I'm going to prepare for my child to school, and she has to leave the house by 7:45. So I need something that I can easily prepare in 10 minutes so that she can take to school, because we don't even have anything in the freezer at the moment. So it has to be something from scratch. My baby, you're dressed for school. Okay, who put lip gloss in your mouth? Wow, wow. Oh, yeah, let me go and prepare your. So, I need something I can prepare so fast. So this is 7:29, and I have to prepare something before 10 minutes. Like by 7:40, I have to be done. Luckily for me, I have beans powder. This is Sisiologi's beans powder, and I also have multigrain pap. So this is what my daughter is going to be taking to school this morning. So I'm just going to add some of this powder into a bowl. Add in small water. So I'm going to add in Maggi. I'm going to add in salt. Add in a little bit of pepper. My girl doesn't like pepper. So this is our multigrain pap powder. I'm taking it to school. But do you want takara? Okay. I'll pack your pap to school, okay? I'll put milk and sugar, okay? Wait, not even this one. And the pap I want. We are 10 minutes down. This is 7:40. So we have 5 more minutes to go. Let's see if we can meet up with 7:45, okay? You said what? You want kakara? Okay, I'll give you. Okay. Okay. It's still hot. It's still very hot. I'll give you, okay? I'll give you. Chloe, you should go. Let me put it inside your food flask. I'll give you the rest. You will wash your hand, my love. Do you want kakara? Oh, yeah, take. Take. Yeah, sorry. Oh, yeah, Grace, help her wash your hand. So, this is it. Don't pour it away, oh. It's hot. Is it not hot? So that is it. This is our akara. This is our pap. I'm including milk. Not that one. Cutlery and spoon. In here, I'm putting in cup. And in here, we have sugar. And also our drinking water. So guys, what is the time right now? This is 7:45, and we did it. We did breakfast in 15 minutes with physiologist, akara, and multigrain pap. So if you know you want easy breakfast, quick breakfast for busy morning and fast mornings like this, then you know you should come and get physiologist, akara powder or beans powder. And I'll see you guys. Bye. Yeah, say bye bye. What are you eating? What's in your mouth? Show my customers now. What's in your mouth? What's in your hand? What's that? Kakara. Do you like your kakara? Good girl. Will you take it to school? Yeah. Good. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye, my mommy customer. Bye bye, mommy customer. Mwah.